Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you in lovely professional university Edu-Webinar. My name is Dalvinder Kaur and I'm your host for today's webinar. As I can see, people are still joining, so let's wait for a few more minutes so that everyone can join. Till then, let me take a tour of our beautiful university. So here it is. Thanks everyone for calling. So let's talk about the call response. Is this video real or AI? No, this video is absolutely real video. No, AI is harmed in making this video. So for the people who wants to see this video again, I'll share the link in the chat box later in 2-3 minutes. So as I can see, everyone has joined. So let's dive into today's topic, that is the role of AI in multimedia industry. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Dr. Hardeep Singh, Associate Professor at HOD, Department of Multimedia and Animation, lovely professional university. So now I would like to introduce our second guest, Mr. Sandeep Kumar. He's Assistant Professor, Department of Multimedia and Animation, lovely professional university. So now I would like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar. Dr. Pooja. She is associate professor with 30 plus years of experience in teaching and research at lovely professional university. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any question. You can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box and save introduce myself in the end of this one. Now I'm going to hand over this session to our experts, Mr. Sandeep Kumar and Dr. Hardeep Singh, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from them. Over to you both.
Hardeep sir, you want to say something?
No, sir, please. First of all, ma'am, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. And if I'm talking about the multimedia, so multimedia is a combination of three things. It's not only multimedia, but also for fine arts and every creative field. So there are three things. Means one is creativity, visualization power, and aesthetical skills. If you have three things, so then you can easily work for multimedia. Now this time, our expert has integrated one more thing, is AI. So now I would like to invite to Professor Sandeep Chauhanji. So please start, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Actually, there's been lots of ups and downs and haywire thing, or people have been talking about AI a lot, especially the use of AI in the creative industry, which is saying that it's gonna eat up all the jobs, it's gonna not leave us jobless and all those things. So I thought let's make me a small presentation and debunk those myths that could be helpful for every aspirant or every perspective people, or maybe most of the common people and public and student also, that AI isn't that bad that we are more of afraid kind of thing. With that, it's going to support us, not going to play against us. So in the same line, I have prepared a small presentation. I think Hardeep sir, if you can play it, so I will be going on one by one.
Can you please unmute yourself, Dr. Hardeep,
So,
first?
ma'am, could you give me the permission?
Yeah. You are the presenter. You can share the screen.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So here I'm not able to share my screen. Okay,
Share
yes.
screen.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Share screen. You have option. Share screen.
My screen is visible. Is it visible?
It's
Yes,
visible.
yes. And now it's coming up.
Okay.
I think couple of more. So yeah, it's there.
Now you can continue. You can.
Great.
Thank you.
Right. Hardeep sir, can you go on full screen like F5?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, actually, I'm using Mac, so then my
No problem.
not working.
Everybody is able to see the content on the screen?
Yeah, screen is visible. You can continue, Mr. Sandeep.
Great. So first of all, welcome to School of Design Multimedia Department, where we are situated here. And now, as I said already, we have 3 core departments. Where one is the graphic department, graphic domain, to the rightly word over here. Graphic department, gaming department, and animation and VFX department. So we have these 3 departments, and all our programs are spread around these things. So Hardeep sir, second page. Yeah. So as you can see in the slide, the AI is not replacing the people, it's not replacing the creativity. It is always adding some value to all those things. It means it is not our foe or our competitor. It is something which always amplifies or always improvise our output, our quality of the creativity or the production quality. So it is enemy or it is competitor only to those who refuse to take help from them, who refuse to add those things into the production process. For example, you might have seen multiple times Google. I just wanted to give a small example. Google phone or maybe Samsung phone has a Gemini AI. You can remove the people from background in a very single click. So if the same thing has to be done in the detail, what will happen? They have to go to Photoshop and remove those people from the background one by one. They have to paint. There are lots of technicalities involved in that. But with the use of AI, Gemini AI, you just have to click and the people in the background whom you don't want to be in the photo, aesthetic photo, they will be removed. So just a simple example. If you do not want to add this particular production process in your daily life, is going to suffer your production, or maybe it's going to take lots of time on them. So always, just to summarize the whole thing, always take the help of your existing idea with the AI. Do not try to create the concept with the AI, because then it means you are giving your all the power to the AI, and is going to have a lots of trouble, because they will learn. It will learn. The model will learn automatically everything, and then you will be out of the job if you do not use it properly. So it's a very fine line, as a very I would say double-sided sword kind of thing, which might have the problem if you do not use it properly. So opportunities are there. You have new careers. We have better salaries also if you are using AI in your workplace, in your production pipeline. Always, and you can reach to the global audience also. Global client you can attract by using the AI in your projects. Next, sir. So as I already told, we have main 3 domains over here. Fourth one is also there, which is filmmaking and digital marketing. So I have mentioned core. There are lots of AI. Lots of models. We call them model actually. Like for example, ChatGPT is a model. Gemini is a model. Firefly is a model, a Claude is a model. So multiple models are there, depends on what you want to use for what. So first thing you should be using which model to use for which task. For example, you are into graphic design and UI UX, website designing, all those things. You should be using primarily these, the one that I mentioned, Firefly, Midjourney, Figma, Framer, Claude, etc. Next one is if you are going for the VFX and animation, we have Compi UI, you might have heard already, Blender UI, we have Unreal, lots of cinematic can be done over there. We have Higgsfield, we have now Maya also has come with the AI. In their 26th version, Maya also added AI features in their core software, Autodesk Maya, by Maya I mean. So lots of things are happening in the gaming and interaction media. Also, we have Kling AI, we have Unreal also, as I mentioned already. Unreal also has come up with the AI. We have Unity, which is now adding the UI in a big, they are going all again, all in. They are going for this. So, and we have filmmaking. Filmmaking is taking lots of, they different. One of my students is working. He's creating completely 3D serial inside the AI interfaces. So they take, the inspiration from different countries' serials, and they use them as a references and create all Hindi serial for the purpose. So they use all these Runway. We have Zenzi, we have Premiere also, Gemini V also there, which use for all the video creation. So all of these fields are covered with lots of AI. So I hope that you should be using it, and at least incorporating, or at least taking the introduction. Simply, it's like creating small prompts to see how it can be useful to update the photo or improve photographs or video, etc. Next, sir. Yeah. So this is the real world tool that you should be doing. These are not the only tools that you should be using. There are lots of tools that, apart from these 6 that cover the thing. You might have heard about the DeepSeek also. There are lots of things are coming up in the market. So we are the users. It is not up to us that we create our own AI models. But right now, because we are not coders primarily, but this always there. ChatGPT is helping for everybody. I have seen on the common task also. So ChatGPT is there, Firefly is there, which is completely into AI. You can edit and do so much magic in your photographs with using Adobe Firefly. And good news that they are giving away lots of free credits, lots of free tokens to the students as a trying purpose, so that they should at least know what is happening and what is going to take a benefit from them. So I am sure that a student would be trying them, and because when you try something, then you got to know, okay, this is not the right prompt. I should be changing my prompt like that. So this is how you can, if I see myself, what process I follow, what workflow I follow. I start with the ChatGPT, get a good prompt over there, refine the prompt, and then give that prompt to the Claude AI. Because Claude AI is going to be game changer in the market if it is combined with the Claude Code. You might have heard the Claude Code also. So Claude Code and Claude AI, they are two things, like a brain of the designer and brain of the coder. So it's a very deadly combination. It's going to change the revolutionized industry like anything. Same way we have Runway, we have Kling AI also, we have Unreal, as I mentioned already. Unreal is coming up with the AI to create drag and drop interactions and to create drag and drop cinematic experiences for the TV serial, for film. Lots of movies are using a very big part of Unreal Engine for quick output in their production pipeline. So these are the tools that are primarily there can be used. Next, sir. Yes, career opportunities are there in AI era. You can become these are just couple of 3, 4, the major one actually. You can become an AI prompt engineer, how you can understand how to write, because everything is based on the credits. So the challenge is you have to get a good output by using very less resources, means credits, means prompts. More prompt you give, you will exhaust your tokens and coupons, then you will be out of the coupons. So it will be problem. So the challenge is how to find the right prompt that will give you the exact result that you want. So you can become an AI prompt engineer also. You can use it as a motion graphics artist also. You can go into UI UX also. It's not only about those days are gone when you completely redesign your screens and the websites and take them live. Same for the game development also. There have been lots of AI native tools which are being there, which have been adding companies by the companies is going to use completely transformation as a production pipeline. Yes, sir. Next. So these are the trends. Those who think that salary definitely is a very big part of somebody's interest, somebody's career choices, and in those lines. So these have been the trend in the industry, and by 2030, it's going to be around 14 billion USD industry only with the AI generated content, be it video, be it images, anything. So you see how people are being paid. AI prompt engineer and game developer are one of the very highly paid people who's going to be there in the future industry. And growth is happening by approximately 40% year on year, and more than that is a global demand. People want to streamline their workflow. So for them, they need AI. Somebody is doing the job, particular job for, let's say, 1 week, the same thing can be done in 1 day. So it's going to be streamline the thing and better quality. You can keep refining the output, and you, by the end of the day, you will land up the output that you wish to design. Next, sir. Yeah. So now we are into myths and fact. That's some people are very afraid with things. That's a slide for those people. That myth. There are a couple of myths and there are some facts. For example, AI will replace all the designer. It is not happening because it will handle the repetitive task. It cannot generate its own idea that you might be knowing already. That ideas are always original. They only refine the idea. So whatever you give to the model, to AI model, they will take and train themselves from those ideas. Second number myth is that learning AI is very difficult because it's very technical. It is not the fact, because the designers also are learning, like myself, are learning AI languages or AI codes, basic AI codes and AI workflow very quickly. Third number myth is that only the coder can work with AI. It is not their designers also working, like I just explained right now. Fourth number myth is that it is AI will make the creativity kind of very old or something. It is not like. It will always add the value to the creativity. It will take the creativity 1 notch up, and best thing is in shorter time. So production timelines also will get low and low. They will not have to spend lots of budget in production pipelines. So all these things will streamline by using the AI process in the workflow. Yes, sir. Next. So what is there for you to take from this is you can always go with the creative thinking, because no AI can replace those creative thinking, creative ideas, or higher order thinking skills. So you should be always being with your notepad, with your book and a pencil, and keep creating the ideas and writing them on paper. So once you have those data bank with you, and when you have something to create, some project to create, you can pull up all of those data from those notebooks and from your brain if you are not using the notepad, and use them to enhance your output through the AI. You can go with the AI tool proficiency also. You can become more fluent with them. You can become storytelling and narrative also is very important, because again, the same thing. AI cannot think itself. It has to take a data from us. So more data we give to AI, more improved and better version it will become, to help us, not to be compete with us, but to help us. Same, it is not about only the design or the tech. They are going always with the cross discipline also. So tech and designers are now meeting up, as I gave you a very simple example, Cloud Code and prompt from ChatGPT. So the combination can be very, very nice and quick output. Few days back, I have designed a very simple example. I have designed a website. I'm not a coder. I'm into 3D. I'm not into graphics, but still I wanted to have a website. Simple experimentation. Website in ChatGPT. So I got all the prompts that I required to create the website for particular theme. Then I went and pasted all those prompts in the cloud, and then the chat and that prompt in the cloud gave me lots of. It's like a 60% job was done with the cloud, and then I refined all those things. So my job was to give the prompt and refine the output. The middle work was done by the AI. So that's how you should be. You cannot completely rely on the AI for the outcome. So next, sir. Next slide, sir. Hardeep, sir. Hardeep, sir, that's it.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, I can
Yes,
see. I can see.
yes, you can
Right
see
now,
your tweet is not written by AI, it's written with AI.
sir, no, sir, I am in the slide which is called future skills. What do you need to learn?
Okay, so is it visible?
I can see the screen which says the slide which says future skills. What
Yes,
do you
sir.
need to learn?
Yeah, so I have shared the future skills, what you
Ah,
need to learn, critical
yes, yes, sir.
thinking.
Yeah, now
Yes.
we go to the next slide. Yeah.
Okay.
Did not
The
change
right
yet.
program. Yes, please check it. Is
No,
it
no,
visible?
it did not change. It is still on the future skills only.
Let me check. Let me check.
No problem,
One.
no problem. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think this is
No
a
issue.
yes. Sir. Is it visible?
Perfect, perfect. Yes, yes, yes.
Please start.
Yes. So now we are very important point of what you should be deciding with them. So I'm not saying that where you should be joining, but always focus on somewhere which is having the curriculum or the content inside the program, which are having, I would not say based on AI, because if everything is done by AI, then you would not be doing anything. It means your brain will not be functioning the way you should function as a designer. So go for the courses, go for the program anywhere which will give you the help of the AI. It means it should be the part of your curriculum. This should not be entire curriculum on the AI, but it should be based on your path. Just one second. Yeah. So this is what I was saying, that you should not be choosing anything that is based on completely AI. You should be having pinch of use of those AI. This is what you can be done. So you can see over in the slide also program with the AI integrated curricula. You can see the hands-on training that have the Unreal Engine, Blender. But Blender is free and it's very easy to install. Also, it's very lightweighted on the system resources. Unreal is a little bit heavy. It needs lots of space on your around 100 GB on your hard drive. So as you can be going with the Firefly also. Also, always go with the internship, which encourage the use of AI. I would not say based on AI, which encourage, because definitely production houses also want to streamline the lean process, lean production for them. So I think this is what you should be looking for. Next, sir. I think we are at the end of the slides. Yeah, this is the one. So very important one. Your future is not written by the AI; it is with the AI. So whatever you are doing as a designer, as a coder, is always going to help you with that thing. So you should start learning. You should start exploring. Lots of credits are given by all of these companies for free. I remember when I started with the Gemini AI, automatically they have been upgrading my account. So now I have got AI Pro for free, which includes 5 TB of data, cloud data for me. It's not like I have purchased anything. They have been seeing the progress. They have been seeing that people are using those credits nicely, and they are giving all those things. So it is very, very important for that purpose. So that's what we have here, and I think that's a last slide. Thank you very much for the time and patience that you have been given to listen me up. So over to our presenters for the further.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sandeep Kumar. It
Yeah.
was a wonderful session. And now I would request our admission nominee, Dr. Pooja, to be on the screen. Over to you, Dr. Pooja.
Sure. Okay, very good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Pooja Sharma from Division of Admissions. I will be sharing few key highlights of the universities along with the opportunities available here at LPU. So if we talk about opportunities available at campus, you know that in today's time, academics that is not limited to classroom teaching. So it has gone beyond that. So if we talk about LPU, we are also not limited to academics. So we are offering various opportunities to our students, wherein we have all required industrial tie-ups in our various programs. So we have work integrated programs. We have international tie-ups to give global exposures to our students. So global immersion programs are there, and even we offer international exposure or semester exchange options in the programs as well. So we are not only focusing on academics or classroom teaching, so we are providing all required opportunities which are very much needed for students' growth, and student will be able to grab a good placement in future. And in case all of you are looking for any program in a particular university and you are yet to decide which university to go with, so as a student, you must keep certain factors in mind to decide a particular university to take admission into a particular programs. So it is not an easy decision. It is very, very important for you, and you must focus on few key parameters. For example, what is the accreditation? Do that university has required approvals or not? What is the placement scenario in that particular university? What kind of curriculum is being taught in the university? Is there any international exposure opportunities available? And what is the infrastructure available at campus? Do they have all required labs and equipments available in particular programs? So is there any study abroad option? What are the rankings and awards? So there are multiple factors which are very, very important for student before deciding which university to choose, because this is one of your important career decisions. So selecting a university is crucial for you, and you must consider these factors. If we talk about our university, Lovely Professional University, so we do have all the accreditations and the required approvals with us. So if we talk about NAC, we have highest NAC grade A++ with 3.68 score on scale of 4, and we are #1 amongst all the private universities of India. And our university is UGC approved university. And we apart from that, we have other accreditations also required for specific programs, like we have approval of ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. This approval accreditation we have for agriculture program, and we have ACBSP accreditation for our management programs. We have NAC and other approvals, like if we talk about NCTE for education programs. So we do have all the required accreditations and approvals with us, and this shows that your degree which you will be doing here will be valid, and this shows the academic excellence the university has. So these accreditations and approvals are the signal for the decision maker that yes, this university has all required infrastructures and are complying with all the regulations imposed by the regulatory bodies. And apart from that, other approvals we do have, like for pharmacy program, we have Pharmacy Council of India. For architecture program, approval of Council of Architecture. For law program, we have Bar Council of India approval. And other than that, Institute of Town Planners, ITPI for planning programs, and Punjab State Council for Agriculture Education approval for agriculture programs. And other than accreditation and approvals, we do have all rankings, and our university is ranked highest by NIRF, which is the 31st rank amongst all government and private universities in India. So NIRF ranking by Ministry of Education, Government of India, is the most renowned ranking which you can rely upon, and can trust upon these rankings. And in case if any university is getting that highest ranking, it means they are complying with all the regulations, and the opportunities and the academics learning you are going to get here would be different from the rest of the universities. And apart from that, we do have rankings of World University ranking 2026, ranked as 5th in India. And we have World University ranking for innovation, which is 4th rank. So we do have all the required rankings and approvals. And this is, as I told you, this is one of the most important factors you should compare before deciding for any university to take admission into any program. So next important factor is placement. See, you are going to spend your 3 to 4 years into a university in case you are going for any UG degree. So ultimate question would be there in your mind that what I am going to get out of that. So what will be my return on investment? So investment means you are going to pay fees to a particular university, and what in return you are going to get. So that is the major question, and that is the most important question also must be coming up in your mind. So placement is the important factor, and here we train our students to prepare them for representing into recruitment drives and get the good placement opportunities. If we talk about our placement scenario here each year many reputed companies, national, international companies visit for recruitment, and we have 100 plus recruiters who have hired LPU students, and in 5,500 plus offers we have received, our students have received from Fortune 500 companies. 350 plus recruiters of IIT, IIM and NIT also hire from LPU. And average package, if we talk about top 25% placed students have average package of around 10 lakhs. So apart from this, many of our students who have grabbed handsome salary. And if we talk about a few stories of our alumni who have grabbed a good placement opportunity, and that is Sri Shravna Vishnu. That student is from BTech Robotics and Automation, batch 2022 to 25. That person has grabbed 2.5 crore package and joined as a senior principal AI and robotics engineer. So there are immense opportunities available. It is up to the student who, if that person is ready to learn, that person is ready to perform, that person can ultimately get a good placement here. So opportunities are endless here. And apart from that, there are students who have grabbed the package of 1 crore, and our student of BTech in robotics and automation, Betty Reddy Naga, grabbed 1 crore package. And then there was another student of our alumni who grabbed 1 crore package, Pavan Unchala. And apart from that, a few have grabbed 64, 62 and 54.9 lakh per annum package. So there are many stories we have where the students have performed well and grabbed good opportunities, and they are earning well here. So career is waiting here. You need to just take the final step, compare all the parameters. In case still you're dicey, so you need to compare or focus on those parameters and then take final decision where to go, which university will give you the best career. So here you will be getting a good placement opportunities here. And apart from that, the another parameter we do have, which you should be comparing, that is industry immersion. In here in LPU, we are not only on focusing on academics. So apart from academics, there are many endless opportunities available here. And in the academics also, we have emerged industry projects, and there are trainings and internships available. So the student will get a real world experience through case studies or role plays or many other activities are there. Then there is training and internships also, and the students also participate in national level or international level competitions also. So this gives them the confidence that later on reward them in terms of a good placement. So we focus on all the activities. We focus on overall skill development of the student instead of only providing teaching in the classroom. And other than that, there are study abroad options also. So the student get the global exposure through international credit transfer programs, semester exchange program, or there is a summer or winter exposure option also available in various programs. So the student is going to get that exposure wherein the student goes to the other university and can develop or can have more social context, which ultimately helps in the career growth. So more social context you have, more the highest pace of career growth will be there. So social contacts are nowadays like an asset for any particular person. So this gives you opportunity to meet new people, to have more contacts. So at LPU, you will be getting these international opportunities. We have various tie-ups with various foreign universities. So here at LPU, we are focusing on academics, we are focusing on extracurricular activities. There is international exposure, global exposure. So overall, we are focusing on your complete development. Not only we are not only focusing on providing theoretical knowledge, it is much more than that. And apart from that, we do offer residential facilities also. We have standard rooms within campus. So it is safe. The university campus hostels are within the campus only, and there is a full security, and we have all over cameras installed. The security guards are available at different points, and it is fully secured. 24 hours, 7 electricity, Wi-Fi facility, everything is available. And most important point is it is completely safe for all our students. And even for commutation to the class, there is no hassle. Student need not to rush in the morning to come to attend the class, because hostels are within the campus only. So we do have standard rooms available. We do have AC rooms, AC apartments also. We do have studio apartments as well for more space and comfort. So the student can choose those residential facilities and can stay within campus while completing their degrees. So you can see here, proper security checks are there. So it is fully secured campus. And we do not support ragging at all. So all over campus, there is full security. Cameras are installed, and security guards are assigned duty everywhere. So it is completely, we can say, a safe campus. So after considering these parameters, which are very crucial to decide whether to choose this particular university or not. So you must compare that and then decide. And in case if you are interested to apply in any of our programs, you need to apply it on our portal. You need to register first, and you can apply through our website. I'll be showing you the website link and the process to apply. Before that, let me tell you the various benefits we are offering in case you join us. So in case you join our university and take admission into any of the programs, we do provide scholarships. So there are various types of scholarships, like it depends upon the category. So we have scholarships on the basis of your academic performance, like in case you are going for any UG program. So we are offering a scholarship on the basis of your academic qualification, last degree. So we do offer that scholarship. And in case you are like for example, you are appearing for our entrance exam, which is entrance scholarship test. So you may be getting a better scholarship on the basis of our entrance exam. You may appear for that. So there are various parameters over which we do provide the scholarship, and student can earn very well scholarship and can get good scholarship based on academic performance. So on the basis of national level test, also we are offering scholarship on the basis of innovation and startup, entrepreneurship, sports and cultural, research and development, social service, bravery awards, board toppers, NGO and other agencies. In case you have achievement in any of these, so you may be getting a scholarship in a particular program. And apart from that, we do offer financial aids to our students as well. So in case your parents are working or in defense forces, or your parents are in teaching, they are teachers, or in case of often economically weaker section students, single girl child, single mother child, especially abled persons, we do offer we do provide financial aid to such students also, to support them financially. So these were the benefits we do provide to the students who are joining us in any of the programs. In case you want to apply here, so you need to visit our website, which is www.lpu.in, and this through this link you will land to this page, and here on this page you will find the option admissions. And here here under the admission option, there are various programs available: after 12th program, after graduation program, even doctoral programs. We have all programs available. So in case you want to apply, you can just log into our website, and then you can search the details. You can have a look over the details of these programs under this option of admission. And in the top corner, there is apply now option. So you can click on the apply now button, and this will lead to you on this page of registration page, wherein you need to register. And for first time register, you have to click on register, and then put your basic details: name, email, your mobile number, state, city, qualification, and discipline interested in. And then you need to click on apply now. Once you have registered, then from second time onwards to log in the portal, so you can click on login here, which is right there next to register button. So from second time login, you need to click here. And once you log into your portal, you have registered, and you need to log in your portal through email ID, mobile number, application number, or whatsoever you have. So you can put it here, and you can enter your password and can log in. In case if you forgot your password, you can log in even via OTP as well. So once you have registered, so it will take you to this page wherein there are various forms available. So on left hand side, you can see there is dashboard, there is all application forms, my payments, my queries, my communication, everything is visible here. So all transactions are transparent, all activities are transparent here. So you will be able to see your forms here. So you for initiating any application, what you need to do, you need to click on all application form, which is there on left hand side. And after that, you have to click on your last qualification. For example, if your last qualification is 12, so you will select that. And from after that, you need to select your discipline. So in case you are looking for commerce program, or you are looking for multimedia program, so you will select accordingly. So in case you're going for multimedia, so here from the drop down button, you will select multimedia, and then you will get further all the options of multimedia programs here, and can choose your desired program. And after that, click on search. Your application will be initiated in this way. LP-Nest undergraduate 2026. There you will get the option of apply for LP-Nest or take admission. So accordingly, you can proceed with the application. So all steps will be clearly visible after applying. So you can further go ahead accordingly. So these are few of the programs we are offering in multimedia discipline: BSc Gaming Design, BSc Graphic Design, BSc Animation and VFX Design, BSc Animation and B Design Animation and VFX, B Design Graphics, B Design Gaming, and in Masters we have MSc Animation and VFX Design. So you can choose any of the program, and for this you need to register through our website www.lpu.in. That's all from my side. In case you have any query, you may put it in the chat box.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pooja. Can we take the questions now, Mr. Sandeep, Dr. Hardeep, and Dr. Pooja?
Yes,
Thanks for giving me
I'm
chance.
already there. Yes, we are there.
Thanks for giving me a chance to address your questions. So Danish and Palak and Shiv Kumar, Rajbir, Mohammed, if you have any question, you can write in the chat box. Okay, let's take the first question now from Gaurav. Gaurav is asking, can AI replace creative professionals in the multimedia industry, or will it mainly enhance their productivity?
I think Gaurav, right?
Yeah.
Gaurav, I would say, as I just explained in the presentation also, that it is never meant to replace, or it is never, have any purpose to replace the human or we the designers. It is always to improve the quality within the less time. Two things, because quality improvement is already there. If you give it something 5 days, you will get some good output. But how can we get that good output within 1 day? So it is always there to help the designers to improve the work quality in shorter time span. Always remember, it is not about being threat or something. It is never, and it will never be replacing the designers. Only in the case if you are afraid, then definitely you will say that AI will do this. Now, if you do not want to learn any new skill, you don't want to dig into at least shallow level also in the AI tools, then it is tough for you. But I think that as a passionate people who are coming in this industry, then definitely they have that zest and passion to learn new tools. So I would say always start experimenting with small things in AI tools that I just mentioned over there, and you are good to go.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Sandeep. I hope, Gaurav, we got the answer from our expert. So Dilpreet is asking, how can beginners start learning and using AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Adobe, Firefly in real-world multimedia projects?
Okay, because they are two separate things. ChatGPT is completely separate than Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly, they give the free trial period for the trying up the Adobe Firefly on their website. You go to Adobe Creative Cloud, you make your login over there, you download the Firefly. Firefly is already actually a web-based application. So you log into Firefly, you upload your photographs, you give some prompt to change. Even they give the suggestions what prompt you can give to this particular photo. So they always help as an interface. They give notification. You try Firefly over there. You see what we can do as a changing the background, changing the maybe sometime changing the I would say correcting the face also. Sometime having some particular extra asset over there. So all these things, picture related things that you can do very easily. You want to create something. Let's say you want to see. I want to create let's say pink elephant with the tail of the rabbit, for example. So they will always incorporating those things, and they will give very unique, very unseen creatures that you can try. That's about the Firefly. Let's go to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is primarily meant to be text-based supporters AI. Now they have added definitely the photos also. Now surprisingly, it's performing better than better than Gemini AI. Galaxy AI primarily. So now it has been improving a lot. It is, I would not say it is faster than the Gemini AI. I'm talking about ChatGPT, but it's definitely giving you more accurate results compared if you do the same command, same prompt to ChatGPT image creation and Gemini image creation, ChatGPT will take a little bit longer time, but they will definitely give you very close to what you have asked for. So always make a simple login on, I think ChatGPT Go is being given as a free in India. We all have those logins. If you try, you will also get it. So keep experimenting, keep writing a small prompts. Let's say create a logo for me, which should have these elements, and they'll give you the logo. So those small things you can always try and see what result do you get. So starting point will be always use your hands-on on those tools. Not try to be completely full-fledged as a beginning, but give it 1 month time, 1.5 months, you will definitely become very good from where you are right now. I hope this answers the question.
Yeah, I hope Dilpreet, you got answer from our expert. So don't worry, students, attendees, if anyone have any question regarding the admissions, they just write on us at admissions@lpu.co.in, and you can do WhatsApp chat with us. Our WhatsApp number is 985256900. Yes, Mr. Sandeep.
Ma'am, one more thing I wanted to give as a tip right now, since we have lots of passionate people over here. So you can always, go for role playing also. For example, you open a Claude and you say, act like, vice president of design of Google, or let's say, or Meta, and write this thing for me. So they will always be, scrutinizing your work. They will always reviewing your work like as if they are the head of those organizations, and the output you will get a very crisp and very professional output that you will get on that. So this is one of the things you can go with the role playing also on those AI models. That's what I wanted to add.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you so much. So you can do WhatsApp chat with us for the admission queries. Our WhatsApp number is 985256900. I'm repeating the number. It's 985256900. And once again, thanks to our all experts, Dr. Pooja, Mr. Sandeep Kumar, and Dr. Hardeep Singh. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. If anyone wants to assess this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, under admissions, then LPU Edu-Webinars. You will find the past and the upcoming webinars. And you can reassess this webinar, this video later on YouTube as well. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my seniors, I will be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.
Ma'am.